G'day, Divergence Traders! It's Jason Sweezy here, and it's time to look at the setups. Here we go. So this is the NASDAQ 5-minute. It was a little crazy today. Buy fakes to get people buying it when you really should have been selling it, I think. I don't know. You can make money either way. So anyway, we have a high here, second soldier, third soldier. Have you ever heard of, oh, I'm using the wrong thing. Have you ever heard of the three soldiers? Here's one soldier, two soldier, three soldier. That's what I've seen lately and heard about, the three soldiers. Yeah. So I just take this down like that. Okay, it's divergent. Does it perfectly line up? No, but it's divergent. Right on the opening of this candle right here. Okay, so they took it up and quickly shot it back down here today. To me, that's a signal. Sell, sell. Yeah. And then it went back up again 10 minutes later and up, even up here, higher. Higher than the fake out right here, the buy fake. And it came right back down. So to me, you know, that is a sign that we're going to go down. We're going to push down, right? So anyway, I did this first trade here, and I got out with, you know, a little bit of a loss because they took it back up again. So then I had to wait. For the trade. Anyway, the trade setup, which was not on a 5-minute chart. So anyway, there's that one. Hold on. I'm a little distracted here. Okay, max potential on that was 228 ticks. Okay, there was no sell here on a 5-minute chart. Okay, let's move on to the 2-minute. Let's see what did the 2-minute give me. Okay, we got a high retracement, higher high, but this is not agreeing with that. So there was no trade to sell right here on the 2-minute. Okay, however, I did this trade right here. Okay, let me show you that. Oh. My little pill dish is making noise. Okay. This is hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. It's like right here. Wherever we want to drive it to. We're going to drive the trend line over there. Yeah, sorry, I'm talking a little funny today. Like I've told you, I've had 3 strokes, but I'm still here kicking. I'm fucking still kicking. Because I got many trades to show you guys. If I live, I plan to give up trading when I hit 80 or 75 or something like that. Because I just love it too much. It's my game of choice. Okay, so hold on. Let me get a little freaking arrow on there. Right there. Boom. See that? That's a trade. That's a trade. That's a beautiful trade. That's the trade I did. But not on this platform. 254 tickers. And what about right now? I don't think so. I don't think there's divergence to buy it back up here, because I think this goes down. Oh, maybe not. No, that's divergent. Well, it's only divergence if we have the 5 cross up above the 7, the pink line, you know, and if you want to buy it, if you think it's going back up here today, it's possible it could. because we're doing some wild swings here today. So I wouldn't be surprised. It either goes back up to here, to the highs, or even higher, or it comes back down and pushes lower yet. It is, the main bias of the daily chart is down right now, is down. That don't mean jack shit when you're fucking trading this shit, right? You know, that's why, you know, like, I don't know, I kind of laugh. There's two things I laugh at when people say, "Oh no, I don't trade let's say crypto. It's too volatile." I go, yeah, whatever. I just laugh at that because most people are just trading little ins and outs unless they actually bought the coins and they're holding on to the coins, or maybe a fraction of a coin if we're talking Bitcoin. Anyway, and the other thing that I forgot what the other thing is I laugh at. Anyway, sorry, I forgot. It went right out of my freaking. It went in one ear and snuggled up against a couple brain cells, and then it went out the other ear. Okay, let's move on now. Yeah, we have to go to the 1 minute. So I'll show you the trades. There they are. There they are. See right here. High and higher high, but no, look, doesn't match up, man. Doesn't match up down here. It's not doing the opposite of this. It's doing the same thing as this. Okay, so I would look at it as a cross down, crossover. Okay. After we got these there's three of them actually. That's right. I couldn't see it on the higher time frame. There was 3 buy fakes here, and I sold it because I thought, well, they usually get people buying it and they take the fucking thing down. They do the opposite of what's happening on the chart. The algorithm, okay? Because it's a fucking algorithm that the banksters are running against us, okay? They're not going to let fucking speculators steal their money. Okay, let's move on. So here was a trade. Here was a trade. It wasn't divergence, okay? So that trade, what the hell is this? I already drew it in there from up there. That's right. From, holy shit, my mind's drawing a blank today. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this is the hidden divergence right here. This was not divergence in here. It was just messed up opening shit. Okay, but we had divergence in here. Let me show you. Okay, just like this. Okay, this slow grind down. And today, the market and the movement, look at the movement right now. Look at it moving. Is it moving fast? No. So on Monday, it was going up and down like a fucking jumping jack really fast, really fast. It would show you profit then losses, profit then losses, profit then losses. And then yesterday, it was casually ticka, 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 ticka. And today, look at it. It's just moving like in between those two different scenarios I just told you about. Really fast and really like kind of slow and casual. And this was moving really fast. Here, look. Just right here in these 3 candles or so, it was moving freaking fast. Now it's not. Look at it. So manipulated, so controlled. Anyway, what the fuck am I doing here? What's this? I'm drawing, oh, an arrow. Okay. Oh, hold on. Let me get back to this now. Okay. right here. See, if you would have bought it here, and you know, you would have been rewarded very quickly. Okay, very quickly. Max tick potential on that was 182. On this one was 257. And this one from there's two divergences here. I got so much shit on the chart. I mean, I got to remove everything now that I showed you, because it's just boggling my fucking brain here. All this fucking shit on here. Can move this. Well, we'll keep that one on. See, look at it going back up again. It's fucking nut bars today. There's no news either. It's nut bars like that. Okay. So we had two divergences up here. That's what I'm trying to fucking show you, and I keep getting sidetracked, okay? So right here, we have high and higher highs, the three amigos, 1, 2, 3, and look what they did. They sold it off, okay? And, oh, hold on. And right here, okay? This is the divergence for this up here. This long one to here is hard to see divergence. It's right here. So you had two different divergence setups right here that occurred, telling you, hello, you don't have just one, you got two. We have hard to see divergence and regular bearish divergence and hidden bearish divergence. Two scenarios right here to sell it right here. This is the trade that I did. Let me show it to you real quick. Okay, it's right here. I'm MetaTrader. So I got 59 points on that one, or ticks. I don't know. On here I call them points, but on the fucking the NinjaTrader futures chart, they're saying it's ticks. See how fucking fucked up and confusing that is? See? See how they have everything all messed up? Now, look down here. We put in a low. Well, actually, just a low. See, but there's no divergence here to buy it. And look, it's going right back up again. The only thing you could do is to buy the cross up, you know, from the 7, the 5 from the 7. Here, let me make it bigger to show you. See? Right here. You would have bought it. Right here. And up it goes. 34 ticks on futures and 34 points on the NAS 100. You know what I mean? See? See right here? This is a live account. Global Prime Live. I'm not trying to trick you here in anything, or, you know, nothing like that. It's not financial advice. Of course it's not, because it's already happened and it's done. It's in the past, but I'm just showing you the trade I did today. I almost fucking jumped out here and I said, ah, you bastards, you're taking it back up here again. And they started smacking it down fast. I said, oh, hold on, Jason, hold on. And sure enough, it went down here. So I was going to take it here, actually, right here from this low. But I said, oh, let's see if we can go a little more. And I took a little bit more. So that was that trade. Okay, so let's get back to our futures charts. Okay. There's no divergence to buy it here. Stop that. That's somehow I can swindle it. I don't know. I don't think so. Let me see. Let me pull this right up here. Oh. Okay, hold on. I got to first line it up here. So there's this low right there. There's that low. All this just to make sure it's divergent, right? Okay. Oh. Wrong one. Okay. Right there. And right there. Yeah, it's fucking divergent. Can you believe it? It's divergent, man. It's very hard to see it, but it's divergent. See, because you draw it from this one to this one. See? That's divergent. Oh, those are so hard to see, those motherfuckers like that. Holy sheep shit. Okay, so I guess, I don't know, I really had to struggle and luck to make that one work. Crazy. So yeah, so there's a trade right there again. So we had a crossover, cross down, sell. It was good. And then we had divergence right here. Okay, and I forgot to draw on this line right there. Yes, it's okay to strike through the candles. We had another winner here. Then we had hidden divergence and regular, easy to see bearish divergence right here to sell it down. See, they count them as ticks, but on the other platform, they count them as points, I believe. Let's see, how much did it go back up? So we would have got long right here. 129 ticks. A lot of trades today, huh? See, this is the 1 minute. See, when these markets are freaking moving like this so fast, like, you'd be lucky if you can find one trade on the 5 minute, right? And usually you can find them on the 2 minute, but today there was so much action, you needed to look at the 1 minute to freaking get these trades. Because if you look at a 5 minute, it would tell you to get in up here. See how much of a difference that is? Like, in all honesty, not that I'm giving any financial advice, but in my opinion, I think you should just, if you're going to trade the crazy NASDAQ, I think it should be done on the 1 minute. That's all I have to say. Not saying that you have to do it on the 1 minute. I'm just saying my beliefs. Okay, let's move on here. Oh, we got to go to the 2 minute, don't we? You didn't look at the 2 minute yet, right? No. There was the no trade, or maybe I did look. See how cluttered everything is up. I got to remove all this stuff, otherwise I won't be able to think and show you what I'm looking for. Oh, okay. The 2 minute we had, yeah, not this one. We had this one right here, hidden divergence. Right here, and sell right here, and down it goes. That's what we had. Here, let me clean this up. Remove. Remove. Okay, yeah, we had the one trade. Oh, no, there's a trade here right now, actually. Yeah, see, it's divergent right here. There's the last trade right here to buy it somewhere, but it didn't cross up. You would have to buy it up here. But it's possible they're going to take it right back up to the 14,800 level again. You just never fucking know. Okay, let's move on here. Let's move on to the S and the P. Golly gee. Oh, there it is. This is the 5 minute. Let me spread that open. Let me bring it to the center. And let's draw in the fucking divergence, man, right here. If you did this one trade on the 5 minute, you'd be good. Look at this chop, though. It would have drove you fucking nuts. Drive you nuts anyway. Doesn't matter what time frame you're on. This fucking crazy up and down, up and down, up and down, jack, jumping, jack poppins, jumping jacks right here. Holy fuck, man. Sorry for the swears. It just, this market really got me going today. I hope you understand. Look at that. I'm putting the wrong thing on again. Mode Z. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. It was a beautiful trade. So the trade was right here. Your stop would have been up here. How much was the stop? 35. Okay. Come on. Ah. Would have got your 35 right here. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio, okay? If you were to hold it through the whole rigamaroo, there's 85 ticks to the bottom. Look, she's coming back down again. You motherfuckers. Now let's look at the 2-minute. What did it give us? 2-minute NASDAQ. Okay, I see the trade. I see the trade. Is there a trade up here? Yeah, there was like a sell here before the open, but forget that. We just... Oh, yeah, right there. There's the open right there, okay? I see one nice trade, okay? Actually, two. Right here. It's just screaming at you. Look at the big mountain peak right here and the little one. See that? Screaming right at you. Right here. Sell. Boom. So we would have got short right in there. And went down 62 ticks. That was a good one. Now I have to draw this one. I can't skip losing trades, or I don't know, maybe it wasn't a loser. Hold on. We have a low and a lower low. And right here. Okay. There it is. There's the divergence right there. Right there. So you would have got in right here on the opening of this candle right here. So our stop would have been how much? Right here. 26 points. Okay, that is our stop. I don't think we got 26 points up there. Would have got in right there. Total 21. See, we are shy by 5 ticks to get to the first, you know, to the 1-to-1 risk reward target. But anyway, that's that trade. There's that trade, and that's it. See right here, we have the low retracement, lower low. See, this is too deep. This needs to be higher than over here, and it's not. So there was no divergence to buy in here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's now look at the pound. Oh, the pound, what did you do today? Oh, it was so bad yesterday. We basically have, I would count it as, it's so rough today. I would count this as like a double bottom right here. Okay. It's not the prettiest one, but it's one. And then you would have got in long right here, the crossover right there. Would have got in long. Our stop would have been right here. Came back down, never hit the stops, and it went up. Okay, so let's see what did it produce. So from right here to here, just 20 points, man. That's it. Then, what did we have? We don't have hidden divergence here from this top to this top, see? Because this top is higher than this top. No, there's nothing more to see here. Let's move on to the euro. 5 minutes. We have hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we have. We have a high. Yeah, we'll go right to the high. Just like that. Right on the opening of that candle. Okay. Boom. Sell it down. 64 points. Look at that. The euro again is the star of the king and queen. Okay, in Forex, You know, if you've never traded Forex, you probably have no idea what I mean by king and queen. The king is the Great British Pound, and the queen is the euro. In case you didn't know that about Forex, that's how they named it. So the queen was better than the king for the last 3 days in a row. Woohoo! Oh, there's a trade right here with the queen right now, baby, but I won't draw it on there. Okay, let's take a look at oil now. This is the last instrument of the day. What did it do? Oh, it kept going up, eh? La-di-da. To $94. That's a new high, I think, eh? Mode Z. Where's the daily? I gotta have the daily. Oh. Oh, right here. I hardly ever go to the daily. Oh, look at that. It's all full of my things. Can't even see it. Oh, Mode Z. Ah, shit. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, it shot up to new highs today. See? Shot up to new highs today. Look at that. Weekly. Look at that. It's going up there, man. They're fucking Mr. B. I wanted to say his name. He's going to freaking take oil up to $100. I said that a few weeks ago, too. Maybe higher to the latest highs. Right? Yeah. It's just a clipping. Okay. Let me go back to my chart here. Okay, we need to go to the 5 minute. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I guess there's one trade. There's not one here, but there's one here. Let me show you. I'm going to draw it here first, down here. And then I'll draw it on the chart. Even though I've taught you, you always find the divergence first on the chart. Then you look at the indicator of whatever indicator you're using, whether it's a squiggly line or the MACD or the OSMA. The OSMA is a variation of the MACD, in case you didn't know that. Okay, there's the divergence trade on oil of today. There's just one. So on this particular trade, because it rallied up so quickly, I would wait for a pullback. So I would buy it right here. So I'd buy it. Your stop would be right here underneath this level where we drew the divergence from. Okay. Now let's see, what would have it rewarded us? Let's say we got in right in the middle, right here. Okay, we're not going to get the best price down here to buy it, so let's just be fair and put it in the middle. Okay. And what do we have total? Wow, $1.31 higher from that price. Holy sheep shit! It sure did boogie today, huh? Let's see. From this low of yesterday, yeah, it's right here, this low. That's how much it's went up in 2 days, ladies and gentlemen. It's went from 88.50 to 93.80. It's went up like 552 points. That's what I call them, points. But they're known as ticks on this platform. Did oil ever go up, man? And I did a trade yesterday. Of course, I got out. If I would have just held on to it, if I woulda, I coulda, and I shoulda, but I didn't. So I didn't make the profit I could have made. Anyway, look at that. Went up 131 ticks here. Let's keep buying the dips. Oh, hold on. Lower close. up it goes, lower close, up it goes, lower close, up it goes, lower close, up it really goes, lower close, up it goes. See that? You follow what I'm trying to show you here? If you want to be a successful scalper, trade like that. Use the candle for your indicator to get into the trade, okay? Like I told you guys, if you've been watching my channel for any time now, this is the best little scalper trades, is that you use the candle. And the candle closes lower, you buy it. But of course, the 5 needs to be above the 7. You got to have the 5 and 7. Look, it's pushing higher. It keeps going non-stop. We're going to go to 94. Oh, yeah, $94 a barrel right now. Woohoo! See, lower close, buy it, up it goes. See how many you could have got just there, man. Just right there. You would have bought it right there just a few minutes ago. There's 28 ticks, man. That's $280 for you know, a full contract, a big one, where it's $10 a point. That's 280 points. 28 times 10, 280. Okay, I think I said enough for today. It was a wild day today. I want to thank you. Actually, I want to say once again, this is Jason Sweezy, the Divergence Trader. And I like to trade divergence for one very good reason. I think it works. That's why you trade it. You only trade something that works, right? You can't trade something that fails. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button and subscribe, I'd appreciate it so much. Because it's free to like and free to subscribe. And my channel is starting actually to grow a little bit. I think the algorithm is kicking in now because I've gotten like 4 or 5 subscribers in the last few days. So that's never happened before. So we're into the 6th month now of this channel. Okay. And I really, really appreciate all of you coming here every day to watch my trading knowledge, because that's what I'm sharing with you. And I just want you to know that I'll never tell you something that's the opposite of what I, you know, believe, like buying at resistance and selling at support. I would never fucking tell you that. That is a big lie. Okay? I would tell you professional traders buy off of support and sell off of resistance. That's what they do. Okay? So anyway, thank you. Have a nice day. Go for a walk. You know, that's what I'm going to do right now. Going to go for a walk in the nice, clean Canadian air from the north, from the Arctic. Nice breeze coming. Oh, it's so nice to go walk in, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go walk this off now because it was crazy and it pissed me off. So anyway, good luck. Good trading.